Yeah, the role of Indian legal framework in preventing these incidents. You may already heard about organ donation. Organ donation is still an untouched field in India which is yet to gain traction. It is evident from organ donation rate of only 0.26 per million in India, where it is about 30 to 40 per million in developed countries. That means comparatively very low in India. And on the other side, what about the demand for organs? The demand for organs is rising constantly while the supply is too limited to meet this demand. Due to this imbalance, donations have been commercialized and illegal markets have been flourishing tremendously. The socio-economic conditions of the country and existing legal framework is responsible for these kind of illegal organ trading. Then, what is organ trafficking? What is the nature of organ trafficking? According to the Declaration of Istanbul 2008, organ trafficking refers to illegal organ transferring refers to transfer, recruitment, harboring, transport or receipt of organs of dead or living persons by either using coercion, force, deception, fraud or any illegal activities for monetary benefits gained from third parties by exploiting potential donors. So, it is evident from this that any kind of illegal transactions related to human organs is subject to organ trafficking. And do you know, India is the largest kidney trader globally, and the first kidney transplantation succeeded in Mumbai in the year 1967. You may have the question that, is there any statute to regulate these activities? Yes. Obviously, the Act, namely the Transplantation of Human Organ Act, which was enacted in 1994, was proposed to control organ trafficking. Then, according to a report, there was a deal of more than 3,000 kidneys took place in the state of Tamil Nadu, where donors didn't get the said amount. There's an infamous case, namely Amit Kumar case, exposed the level of organ trafficking in India, where fake promises were given to a lot of laborers who had undergone treatment as live donors for rupees 3 lakhs. Then Amit Kumar allegedly charged around $50,000 per operation, and over 500 illegal organ transplantation took place by the kidney racket kingpin. And it is also reported that more than 2,000 kidneys are sold every year in India. According to an NGO, Bachpan Bachao Andolan, corpses of children without organs were found by them, but such cases are usually reported as kidnapping because it is simple for the police to book the case as abduction and murder on unknown people instead of doing investigation on organ rackets. Then what about the legal framework in India on organ transferring? In several cases, organ trafficking is also connected with human trafficking. The Constitution of India has granted us the right against exploitation as a fundamental right. This way, no citizen of India must be subjected to illicit trafficking under this law. In addition, right of a person over his or her own body and right to health is considered as an essential element under Article 21, wherein every citizen of India has the right to live a dignified life. The Section 360 of IPC considered offences associated with kidnapping. However, if someone commits child trafficking for organ trade, they are also subject to penalty under Section 12 of the Transplantation of Human Organ Act 1994. To conclude, like any other offense, organ trafficking is violating human rights all around the world. Organ trafficking has allegedly increased at a huge extent as an organized crime in India due to various reasons, including poverty, and majority of the people are facing poverty in India. So such offenses have to be discussed, and proper investigation and appropriate reformations in the statutes are the urgent need of the hour. So I'm concluding. Thank you.